it's Jennifer, and I have my day 21 Advent for you. And let's go ahead and open it up. I'm excited. And day 21 is a dairy milk, which we love. And let's see what it says. It says bows. Can you find the box of bows? Oh my. Find the box of bows. Well, here it is. There's the box of bows. I'm like a child. I love the Advent. Okay, and this is another limited edition herbal tisane, and it is cookies and cream, roasted cocoa blended with cookies and cream. Oh, I can't wait to try that one. That sounds yummy. And here's day 21. I love to show you guys the colorful tissue paper they used. And this is very pretty. Oh, I almost undid the hank. That one wasn't wrapped very well. Oh, I gotta rehank this one. Yeah, that one was coming undone. Hang on. Not very good when it's coming undone. Hang on. Let me get it in. Get it rehanked up. Make it look a little better. Alright. And then there's that one from Southern Skeins. It's very pretty. Okay. And now from Paw Ply. Let's see what this one is. Okay. And this is day 21, and it's called Dasher. And it is stunning. Look at that. Look at those colors. That reminds me of a good friend of mine named Carrie, the Yarny Elephant. Oh my. And there they are. They're beautiful. So we've got the two hanks. We've got the cookies and cream. And we've got the dairy milk today. So, oh, there we go. So this was day 21. Stay tuned. Day 22 is coming. We're nearing the end of the Advent. I hope you guys are getting your Christmas shopping done. I hope that you're actually done. And I hope you're getting your Christmas crochet done. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.